EWM22A-40090A-WL22SS supports Bluetooth BLE, Wi-Fi, and LoRa communication, mainly suitable for data transmission application scenarios. This tutorial is designed to guide the use of our EWM22A-XXXBWL22S series modules. Tutorial of using UART LoRa transparent transmission, Wi-Fi monitoring mode, and E22T series modules. The following materials are required for this tutorial. First, we will perform the wiring operation for the product. Connect the 2.4 grams antenna to the IPX interface. Then connect the 433 meters antenna to the SMA interface of the test suite. Use a Type-C to USB cable to connect the test suite to the computer. Note that the TX ARX pins on the factory E15 test board are short-circuited by default. Remove the jumper cap in advance before use. Insert the E22 module into the E15 test board as shown in the diagram. Connect the 433 meters antenna here. Then connect the test board to the computer. Now we have completed all wiring steps for the device. Next, we'll configure the parameters. First, configure the parameters for the EWM22A-XXXBWL22S. Before configuring the module, you need to complete some preliminary steps. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the lower left corner of your computer. Open the NetAssist software. Select TCP server as the protocol type in the upper left corner. Set the local host address to the IP address of the Wi-Fi connection 10.25.167.122. For the local host port, simply enter any available port. This tutorial uses port 1000. Click to open and create a local server on your computer. Open the XCOM serial port debugging assistant on your computer. Open the serial port using the module's default settings, 115,208N1. Be sure to check the timestamp box and uncheck word wrap. Send the command shown in the figure to switch to configuration mode. Send the command shown in the image to connect the device to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer shown earlier. EQ is a Wi-Fi network name. 123456789 is the Wi-Fi password. Send the command shown in the figure to connect to the local server you just created. Send the command shown in the figure to switch to UART or LoRa transparent mode. Wi-Fi monitoring mode. Module reply switch successful. The system will automatically reboot when switching modules. Don't worry about the settings not taking effect. The module prompts you to connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to the server. Next, configure the parameters for E22. Double-click to open the RF setting E22E9XSL software. Remove the M1 jumper cap. Keep the MO jumper cap inserted. Select the appropriate serial port. After opening the serial port, click to get the module's current parameters. We need to be mindful of data rate, packet length, transmission method, channel, network ID, key, and the module address must be the same as that of the EWM22A module. As can be seen, the factory default settings of the E22 module meet the requirements. We'll use the default parameters for communication. Change the serial port baud rate of the E22 module to 115/00. Click to set parameters. After successful writing, close the RF setting E22E9XSL software. Keep the MO jumper cap inserted. Insert the M1 jumper cap. Now demonstrating pass-through. Open the XCOM serial debugging assistant again. Select the serial port corresponding to the E22 module and open it using the default baud rate of 115,200 with 8N1. Exchanging data in the serial debug assistant. You will see that the two modules have successfully transmitted data. In NetAssist, you can successfully view the communication between the two modules.